Hey there, design enthusiasts. Welcome back to our Figma tutorial series. Today, we're tackling a fundamental skill that's crucial for any designer: how to change text color in Figma for 2025. Whether you're sprucing up a website mockup or fine-tuning your UI elements, mastering this will level up your designs in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have Figma open and your project loaded. If you're new to Figma, it's an intuitive design tool that's free to use and packed with features for collaborative work. Now, locate the text layer you want to edit. You can do this by selecting the text frame in your canvas or using the Layers panel on the left side. Once your text is selected, head over to the right-hand Design panel. This is where the magic happens. Look for the Fill section. It's usually at the top. Here, you'll see options for color, including a color picker, hexcode input, and even gradients if you're feeling advanced. Click on the color swatch next to Fill to open the color editor. In the color editor, you can choose from Figma's built-in color palette, enter a specific hex code for precise branding, or use the eyedropper tool to pick a color from elsewhere in your design. For 2025, Figma has made this even smoother with updated accessibility checks, so keep an eye out for contrast warnings to ensure your text is readable. After selecting your desired color, hit Enter, or just click away, and voila, your text color changes instantly. Don't forget to preview it on different backgrounds to make sure it pops. If you mess up, Figma's undo feature is your best friend. Just use Ctrl+C or Command+C to revert. And that's it. Changing text color in Figma is quick, easy, and incredibly versatile. Experiment with it in your next project and see how it transforms your work. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below with your favorite Figma hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.